we study the full wave rectifier using bridge circuit. So for this circuit there is AC supply 0 to 12 volt or 15 volt AC supply required. Then 4 diodes, capacitor and load resistance are used for this circuit. What is meant by rectification? The rectification means the conversion of AC into DC is called as rectification, or conversion of AC into DC is called as rectifier. We study the rectifier circuit is given in the circuit diagram. So here the transformer is, the output of transformer is connected to the bridge circuit, and this one terminal is connected to ground line. So we can perform practically this experiment by using this. These two are the outputs of transformer, and we connect this output of transformer to this bridge circuit. This terminal and other terminal is this terminal. Then the third terminal of bridge is connected to ground line, and then we take the AC and DC voltage across this bridge circuit. At the output of this bridge circuit, the AC voltage becomes 5.28 volts or 29 volts AC. Then we measure the DC voltage across the output of this bridge circuit. We get 11.55 volts DC voltage. Then to minimize this AC component, just like here, we get the AC voltage across these two, across the terminal of rectifier circuit is 5.23 volts. To minimize this AC component of the circuit, we connect the capacitor as a filter in this circuit. So we get the minimum AC voltage. So we connect the capacitor in the circuit just like this. Then we measure the AC component across this capacitor is minus 0.01 volt or 0 volt. This means AC component is minimized by using this filter circuit. So capacitor is used as a filter of DC circuit. Then we measure the DC voltage across the capacitor becomes 17.51 volts DC voltage we will get. We use another load across this circuit. So we use another resistance. We connect another resistance for this circuit. So we can connect in this way load resistance. Then we measure AC voltage across this capacitor with filter, that is near about 0.06 volt AC component is there. So we can minimize the AC component by using a rectifier with capacitor and resistance just like load. Then we measure the DC component across the load is becomes 15.65 volts. So we can perform the rectifier circuit with filter by this way. Thank you. So by performing this experiment, we measure by using observation table here AC and DC voltage measured without load and capacitor. That means there is 2 volt without load and capacitor. AC component is maximum, there is 2 volts, and DC voltage is 13 volts. We can calculate the ripple factor by using this method. Therefore, percentage ripple factor is equal to AC upon DC, that means 2 divided by 13 into 100 is equal to 15.38% ripple factor at the output of rectifier circuit without load and capacitor. Then we can measure the AC and DC voltage with capacitor at the output of rectifier circuit. We get 0.01 volt AC voltage and 16.68 volts DC voltage. So we can calculate the percentage ripple factor of rectifier circuit with filter is equal to 0.01 divided by 16.68 into 100. Then at the last condition, there is with capacitor plus load, the AC component is equal to 0.05 volt and DC component is equal to 15.18 volts. So percentage ripple of rectifier circuit with capacitor plus load is equal to 0.05 divided by 15.18 into 100. The corresponding result, that is 0.329, is the percentage ripple factor of rectifier circuit with capacitor plus load. Thank you.